I'm going to be doing a favorites video. I haven't done a favorites video in so long. Who knows why? My hair's a little bit messy because I've been wearing it all day. Don't even mind. Don't pay it any attention. So I haven't done one of these in so long, and May was my birthday month. So I was like, you know what? I haven't done one of these for so long. I really want to do one. I used to do one like every single month, and I felt like they were getting a little repetitive. It was like I was liking the same things. But it's been a while since I've done them, so let's just go and show you guys what I've been loving. Okay, so the first thing that I've been loving is this Valentino men's cologne. If you guys watch my cheapest thing I got on Valentino, you would have known that it was a men's cologne. This one right here is the cheapest thing on Valentino, a cologne. I've been wearing this almost every single day. It is down to here already. I love it. It smells, it's like manly, but it's like cinnamony, sweet manly. It smells like a guy just came and hugged me, and then I freshened up in the bathroom with my stuff. It just smells good, okay? I like this cologne. It's yummy. And we don't care if it's meant for a man or for a woman. If we like it, then we're gonna spray it on our body. The next thing I've been loving is this tea. So this is from David's Tea, and I don't know how to say it, so we're gonna pop it up right here. No idea. She sent it to me in the store, and it was like I didn't know how to say it, and I don't want to butcher the name. We don't want people saying that I'm making fun of a language, because I'm not. I just do not know how to say it, so I'm just gonna avoid that and tell you guys how good this tea is. It is a very light tea, so it's a white tea. It smells really good. It's earthy. This is really good just with like soy milk and a little bit of sugar in it. Let me read it. This is a true luxury, considered by many to be China's most famous white tea. Really? Ingredients: high-grown white tea from the mountains of Fujian province, China. This is actually from China? Holy shit! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Well, it's really good, and my taste buds in my mouth and my stomach enjoy it. Okay, next I just have a few little makeup items. This blush from MAC is one of my faves. So this is called Crisp Whites. I feel like I'm talking really fast, like I'm rushed or something. I'm sorry about that. Let me just calm down, bring it down. I've been really busy today, so maybe that's why my body just is like in this hyper mode. Crisp Whites. It's what I've been wearing. It's really nice with a spray tan, and when I do not have a spray tan, it gives me like an orange glow, or so I think. I hope it does. I hope it doesn't look like an Oompa Loompa status. And it has just like a very slight shimmer in there. It is a satin, and it's a powder blush. It's from this collection that was like all ombre-ed a couple years ago, but I just picked it up in my collection recently. I was like, oh, this is cute, and put it on, and I love it. It's good for the summer. So I've also been loving this Kevyn Aucoin, what is this even called? The Contour Book Volume 2, The Art of Sculpting. Oh, we're just reading about it. I have been using these two a lot. So the cream contour, I've been using to actually contour my face, my cheeks, my nose, my forehead. I've just been like playing around with contour. I've never really played around with it, so I've been doing that, and then I've been using this powder, the Starlight, sometimes as an eyeshadow or as a highlight, and I really just like this book. It's really good. I like it, and it's expensive, but I got this from the My Boyfriend Buys My Makeup challenge, I think that's what it was, and he chose this, so like I wouldn't have chose this, but I thank him because I love it. So I also got a Louis Vuitton for myself for my birthday. I know it's like super bouge, but that's okay. I really like it. It's good. It holds all my stuff. It's good for just like picking up and go, and I've been using this as an everyday bag. I haven't been babying it or anything. I've just been using it, and it's holding up so good. I've like bumped it onto stuff, and I'm like, oh my god, and there's nothing on there. It holds up pretty good, so I do give it credit for that. And I just throw stuff in here, and it's good. So we're good. We're happy about it. I really enjoy this bag, and I like that it doesn't have compartments in it. I'm someone that I just like to throw things in my bag, and if there's compartments, I'm like, where? I just like to have one giant place where I can throw everything in, and then I'm good to go. Also, if you guys want a makeup tutorial on this, I kinda did one. It's the You Guys Choose My Instagram followers choose my day. I'll link it down below. So I've also been loving vlogging. So this is my Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. We've had a vlog channel for a while. We've vlogged here and there. We did daily vlogging a few years ago, but honestly, recently, and I talked about this in my Pack With Me video, vlogging has helped me so much lately with like who I am, my mood, my self-confidence, my anxiety, and I'm so creative with it now. Like I get so many tweets from you guys saying like how you've seen such a difference in the vlogs and how they're so uppity and fun. So I appreciate that. So that is just what I've been doing, is vlogging and having so much fun with it. I've been editing all the vlogs, and you guys are really liking them. We're getting so many new subscribers and viewers, and I just like vlog little things. Like I don't just sit there on the camera like, hey guys, so today blah 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 blah. Like I do things and I show you things. Even though our city isn't that great, I still throw a vlog together and try to do it almost every day. But if there isn't stuff to vlog, then I'm not just gonna put a video out there that isn't something I'm proud of. Like before I was like, okay, we gotta vlog every day, and it was just kind of like getting repetitive. This is so much different, so I appreciate all the new viewers, the love. It's really good and it's helping me. And even if we got like 5 viewers, I'd be like, oh cool, but like we're getting so many views on that channel, I'm like, oh my god, I feel like I'm Drake. Or wait, Drake doesn't vlog. I feel like I'm Logan Paul. I'm literally Logan Paul. Guys, I'm crazy. I've also been loving my Eco Gear bags. I have 2 of them. Again, in my pack with me video, I show them more in detail. So I think I'm just gonna leave that link down below because I've been talking about it. But this one here is the pink Dole backpack, and it has a lot of room in it here. Yeah, there's like pockets everywhere galore. The shoulder straps here are so comfy. They're padded. Even if you pack this full, it won't feel heavy and bother you, and they're not just like these tiny little straps and it's like weighing on you. It's really comfortable. If you're someone like me that doesn't like to pack a lot, it's good. And if you're somebody that wants to pack a lot, it's also good. So this, I'll just leave the link for Eco Gear, their products and everything at the very top of the first description box there. I really enjoy their products. Something that you want to travel with and use for like heavy duty stuff, like with traveling and you're like running through airports or on the plane, a road trip, going through hotels. You want it to be good quality. You don't just want to have like your zippers breaking, no room. I really, really enjoy these, and I'm taking both of these on a road trip right away, but I have been using this backpack in particular and I love it. The other one that I do have is the duffel bag that turns into a mini closet. It's the rolling duffel bag with a garment rack. It literally turns into a mini closet. So it's just a regular duffel bag and it rolls too, so it's really good. It has lots of luggage, room, space. There's also 2 tiers to it, so you can unzip the bottom and there's a whole other space for like shoes or maybe dirty laundry you want to kind of tuck away, maybe wet laundry if you go swimming in the hotel room, and if you have a wet bikini, you don't just want to put it on there. It's so good to have another tier. And then also it turns into this mini garment rack, and you can hang all your clothes there, and it's just so much room. It's awesome. When Eco Gear first sent it to me, I will be honest with you guys, I was like, why do I need that? That's so extra. Like, I don't pack that much. But then as I was setting it up and looking at it, I'm like, you know what? This is so good. Like, it doesn't matter if you pack a little bit, because then your stuff will just be so organized. You can hang it on the rack, slide it over, and still have everything available and easy to get in your bag. If you're sharing a bag with someone, it's so good too. You can like literally split the rack. I can go on and on about Eco Gear. And yes, they did send these to me, but that doesn't sway my opinion on how good they are. Okay, oh, I didn't even do the rest of the makeup. My favorite lip combo for a couple months has been this. It's what I am wearing right now, and it's the perfect nude lip. This is the Kylie Jenner lipstick, and it's in Angel Cake. It looks like this. I have used so much of this. Like, the K on the Kylie has already started to go away. So creamy. It smells like kind of like cheap vanilla, but it's still good. I prefer this rather than MAC lipsticks. That's how much I'm liking this. It's long lasting, the color is beautiful, and I've been pairing it with this sample that I got from Sephora. It's the Marc Jacobs Sugar High Shine Gloss, and honestly, we love. But if I'm not wearing makeup and I wear this just on its own, I look dead, so I prefer this with makeup because it doesn't really have a lot of color, but oh my god, this is so good together. It's sticky, but it's not too sticky. We love a Marc Jacobs sample. Blonde Life. So Joico, I got these at 2 separate times. So I got this first, and I was meaning to put this in a favorites video like months ago because people were asking me how my hair was so shiny lately. It's because of this. So this is the Joico Blonde Life Brightening Veil UV and Thermal Defense Multitasker. So this is a heat protection spray, but it also makes your hair so shiny. It's not greasy and oily and sticky and gross, because I've had some like that and it's just nasty. This is so good, and it'll keep my blonde vibrant. And it smells yummy too. It smells like kind of like Play-Doh. And then this here, I'm almost out of this. This is the Blonde Life. I bought this because how good that one was. This is the Joico Brightening Mask to intensely hydrate, detox, and illuminate. So blonde hair is naturally dry and just not really that healthy, but this will brighten it and nourish it. So it's a mask. So you know your regular conditioner, it kind of looks like this, but this is thicker. She's slim thick. Oh, look at her. So this again will help your blonde and brighten your blonde and just like keep that moisture in that you need. I also have been loving these. These are chocolate Lucky Charms with magical unicorn marshmallows. Hi! Yum! Journaling. I like this journal. It says shave it for later, and it has silver all the way around there. It's so cool. The first pages are pink too. Journaling has been something that's always been in my heart, and I stopped journaling for a while and I just picked it up again, and I've just been like journaling everything, and it helps me be creative. I write down my dreams, and a few weeks later I go back and read them. I'm like, I dreamt that, I don't even remember. I put movie tickets in here, receipts for like suppers that we go on, and just like kind of document my life. And this journal I got from Claire's a while back. I don't even think Claire's has journals anymore, but like I have a stockpile of journals. So my last favorite of the month, oh, my arm jiggled, we love, is my favorite movie, and that is A Quiet Place. My mom and I saw A Quiet Place, girl. So good. I couldn't even believe it. I was like stunned, shocked. It has that guy from The Office in it. When you don't know. Such a good movie. I thought it was gonna be kind of boring because there's no talking. It's just like, shh, quiet, be quiet the whole time. And I was like, and then like the first 5 minutes, you're like, it just jumps and grabs you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy favorites videos, a thumbs up would be very nice and it would make me happy. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.